over. Ladies, show me how you keep your man. Show me the position you use to keep your man right now, baby. Show me. A different igloo tonight, I want to tell you. Watch the girl in the world. Tell the girl when I say anything you put on you put it in, right? Take a look at your body right now, you must want to teach you a chat. When I see your body right now, you must want to teach you. Watch it out. You jump on your saddle right up on your back, exposing your property. The girls let me know say your man is not complaining about your vagina. I'm gonna start line for the dream. What's the way the girls are okay? Ready again.
This is the argument for the girls. Watch the wall. You know me. Gathering himself in person. Mr. Funson. Hey, over me. Hold on, no.
Who the guy is sitting there? Ain't there? One of them.
And you don't want me. Hold on, no. Tell them now you over me.
Here's the fly, baby, one of them.
My baby mother said me bad, me too bad. Too much that I love me and don't want to have. Make sure you put it. Tell her play hard, forget no one. If it go charge, but anyway she give me a couple of rap.
Breathe down.
Anytime move up, me down, love if it goes.
I feel you was simple again right now.